Greetings, all Kenyans. My name is Justice Stephen Riechi. I am a judge of the High Court, stationed in Milimani High Court Family Division. Today, I want us to share a few things about our cases, in particular, the matters relating to succession. Succession matters are what touches all of us, particularly when we have lost our loved ones. We'll want the matters, their property, to be distributed or to be managed properly so that it can benefit the beneficiaries. Most of you have filed matters in our courts, and we have not been able to be heard within the timelines which we wanted. Under the starch policy of our Honorable Chief Justice Martha Koome, the family division in the High Court and all the High Court stations have dedicated the week starting Monday 26th May 2025 to Friday 30th of May 2025 as a week dedicated for the hearing of the succession matters which have been pending in our courts. We request you, if you have a matter which is not contested and you have filed your summons of confirmation, kindly get in touch with the High Court station or the court where you have filed the matters so that it can be fixed for hearing within that service week period. All we need from you is that you must have filed the summons for confirmation. Make sure that you have the consent of the beneficiaries filed, and on that particular day when you have been given the hearing date, be present either in person or virtually through our virtual systems. Make sure that all the dependents have the identification documents with them, and they are available to confirm that you have agreed on the mode of distribution. That it is something which will take a very short time, and then we will be able to finalize. Once you have all agreed and the court is satisfied that you have agreed, then it will confirm the grant which issues certificate of confirmation, which then you will take to the land registry or to whoever that needs to transfer that property to the beneficiaries. We urge you to take advantage of this opportunity so that we can resolve those disputes within the shortest time possible.